Hi everybody, this is Dave Dunbar at General Pipe Cleaners. I'm here with Dave Wintruba. He's our jetter specialist in customer service. And we're talking about some of the common things that can come up with jetters, high pressure water cleaners for drains. So if somebody is having a problem, let's say they're having low pressure or it's cycling or something like that, what advice do you give them?
Well, the first thing you do, Dave, you want to check your nozzle to make sure your nozzles are clean.
Right.
One hole, it'll make it do that. Second of all, then what we're going to do, it could be the unloader. Most likely that. So what we're going to do, we're going to check it. I'll show you how to check the unloader to make sure.
Okay.
First, what we're going to do is we're going to take your hose, put it in the drain enough to make it secure so it doesn't whip around, because we are going to fire up the machine.
Hide it down the drain.
Put it in the drain. Turn your water on. Fire the motor up.
Okay.
Okay. Now, what we're going to do, now you're going to get it cycling and so forth.
Yes.
So now what we're going to do is shut the machine off.
Okay.
Okay. Leave the water running and everything. Now what we're going to do is this is the hose, bypass hose that goes back into the water inlet filter from the unloader. Right. This is your unloader.
Okay.
What we're going to do is to test this, we're going to take this hose off. Now underneath here is a barb fitting.
Okay.
We're going to unscrew the barb fitting and we're going to get a 1/4 inch plug and we'll screw it in there so you don't get blasted of water in the face.
Okay.
But anyway, so then what you're going to do is you're going to have this hose off.
Right.
Now we're going to fire the machine back up.
Okay.
Now, with the running into the drain and everything, what we're going to do is make sure if you get a solid stream of water shooting out of there while everything's running, your hose water's open, this is in the drain. If this hose puts out a solid full stream of water, you have a bad unloader.
Okay.
If you get a little residual water and so forth, then it's most likely not the unloader.
Probably something else.
Probably something else.
Yeah, okay.
But most likely it will be the unloader.
Okay.
And what all you have to do to change the unloader is this fitting right here is a swivel fitting. Once you unscrew this whole assembly, well, disconnect, make sure you shut everything down before you do all this.
Right.
And then you just disconnect the hose. This is going to the hose reel. Take this off. Once you loosen this fitting, this whole piece will come off, and then you can change. And then all you do is reverse the steps to put it back on.
And put it together the same way it is.
The same way, yes.
Yeah, right. Okay, so if they have further questions on this, what should they call you at 800-245-6200?
And I'm at extension 167.
Okay, great.
Right.
So thank you very much. Any other questions, you can go to our website also, drainbrain.com, to get more information. But hey, General Pipe Cleaners, toughest tools down the line.